Well, hello class. You made it through the whirlwind that was week 1, and now we're going to move into week 2, where we're going to be looking at source types. So I'm going to take you through a short PowerPoint, and I'm hoping that you're as excited about this module as you were about the first one. Talk to you soon. Welcome to week 2, source types, knowing when to use what. It's going to be a pretty busy week this week, so make sure that you get started early. Remember, the module opens on Sunday. You'll probably want to access it on Sunday to have a look to see what you're going to need to do for the week. So let's take a look at that overview. The first thing you're going to do is complete the reading and watch the videos. Next, you're going to respond to the week 2 discussion. Remember, your initial post needs to be done by Thursday, and you have until Saturday to respond to 2 classmates. You also need to complete the library orientation workshop and then submit the certificate of completion. Make sure that you schedule your student-teacher conference. You're going to take the primary, secondary, and tertiary quiz, and you're going to take the scholarly trade and popular publications quiz, and finally you're going to submit your 5-minute reflection. So as you can see, it's a pretty busy week, probably a good idea to get started early. Let's take a look at our learning objectives. You're going to be able to explain the difference between primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. You're going to be able to identify scholarly, trade, and popular sources. You're going to be able to describe how having an understanding of source types aids an effective search strategy. Now, in order to meet those learning objectives, we have some reading to do. So the first thing that you're going to read is in Choosing and Using Academic Sources, A Guide to Academic Research. You're going to read pages 25 to 41. You're going to next take a look at primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, and you're going to read How to Distinguish Between Scholarly, Trade, and Popular Periodicals, and then a short article called Some Opinions on the Review Process of Research Papers Destined for Publication. Long title on that one, short article. In addition, there's going to be some media. So you're going to be looking at a video called Sources. You're also going to be looking at one called Scholarly, Trade, and Popular Publications. You're going to be looking at peer review in 3 minutes. So 3 videos this week, not too bad there. And as always, ask for help. If you get stuck with anything or you don't understand something, reach out to me. You can do that through the Canvas inbox. If the Canvas inbox is down, you can always email me at lrosen@fullcall.edu. And you can call me at 714-992-7383, or you can make an appointment and come and see me in person. Well, that should get you set up for week 2. Again, get started early. It's a busy week. And I will get back to you with week 3's PowerPoint. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.